Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar class 6 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children comprehension chapter number 28. Let's learn. Read the following passage carefully. So आपको इस passage को ध्यान से पढ़ना है बच्चों. The title of this passage is Wilma Rudolph. Read the life histories of people who have turned a negative into a passive, adversity into advantage, stumbling blocks into stepping stones. They refuse to let disappointment and failures pull them down. Learn a lesson from the life of Wilma Rudolph, who was born into a poor home in Tennessee. At age 4, she had double pneumonia with scarlet fever, a deadly combination which left her paralyzed with polio. She had to wear a brace and the doctor said that she would never put her foot on the earth. But her mother encouraged her. She told Wilma that with her given ability, persistence and the faith, she could do anything she wanted. Wilma said, "I want to be the fastest woman on this earth." At the age of 9, against the advice of the doctors, she removed her brace and took the first step. At the age of 15, she went to Tennessee State University, where she met a coach named Ed Temple. "I want to be the fastest woman on the track on this earth," she told Ed Temple. Temple replied, "With your spirit, nobody can stop you, and besides, I will help you." The day came when she was at the Olympics. At the Olympics, you are matched with the best of the best. Wilma was matched against a woman named Julia Heen, who had never been beaten. In the first event of 100-meter race, second of 2-meter race and the third of 4-meter relay, she won her first and second medals. In the relay, the first 3 people ran and changed the baton easily. When it came to Wilma's turn, she dropped the baton. But Wilma saw Julia showing up the other hand. She picked the baton, ran like a machine, beat Julia a third time and won her third gold medal. Now, answer the questions children. This is comprehension when we read the passage and answer the questions. Wilma Rudolph was born into a, चलिए बताइए बच्चों, आप ये पढ़ेंगे और इसका आंसर आप खुद देंगे. Wilma Rudolph was born into a poor home in Tennessee, right? What happened to her at the age of 4? At the age of 4, she had double pneumonia with scarlet fever, a deadly combination which left her paralyzed with polio. What was the effect of the disease? The disease left her paralyzed with polio. And who encouraged her? How? Her mother encouraged her, and she told Wilma that with her given ability, persistence and the faith, she could do anything she wanted. What was Wilma's ambition? Wilma's ambition was to become the fastest woman on the track on this earth. Now these fill in the blanks. Please children, try to do it yourself after reading the passage. Give antonyms from the passage. Negative, so this is positive. Okay. Adversity, prosperity. ये तो इनके एंटोनियम्स हैं बच्चों. आपको पैसेज में से भी इनके एंटोनियम्स अगर किसी ऑड वर्ड में मिलते हैं तो आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. So children, part D is make sentence. You will make sentence on your own and the words are stumbling blocks. Read the passage and answer the questions that follows. Indian cuisines are known worldwide, particularly for the hot spicy curries involving the excessive use of chilies and aromatic spices enough to stimulate one's lost appetite. While cooking an authentic Indian recipe, one has to stick to traditional Indian spice mixture or even better single spices. A typical curry powder derives its taste mainly from roasted cumin, coriander, black pepper, chilies and fenugreek with additional ginger, turmeric, lentil flour, salt and sweet spices including cinnamon, cloves and green cardamom. However, in South India, where the cuisine is dominantly vegetarian, the cooking is very hot and pungent due to excessive use of chilies and at the same time very aromatic, particularly due to the use of fresh curry leaves as a natural flavoring agent in various curries and chutneys. So, भूख लग गई सबको ये पैसेज सुन के? चलिए answer the question. Indian cuisine are known for worldwide, particularly for the hot spices curries involving the excessive use of chilies and aromatic spices enough to stimulate one's lost appetite. While cooking an authentic Indian recipe, what has one to be careful of? While cooking an authentic Indian recipe, one has to stick to traditional Indian spice mixture or even better single spices. Where does a typical curry powder derives its taste from? A typical curry powder derives its taste mainly from roasted cumin, coriander, black pepper, chilies and fenugreek with additional ginger, turmeric, lentil flour, salt and sweet spices including cinnamon, cloves and green cardamom. Now, इन दोनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर बच्चों आप इस पैसेज को पढ़ के खुद से देंगे. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड पैसेज. Read the following passage and complete the sentences that follow. So children, you will read it yourself and you will answer these questions also. Like this, you will read fourth paragraph also और फिर आप देंगे इससे जुड़े हुए क्वेश्चंस के आंसर. क्वेश्चंस आपको यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. ओके, सो रीड द पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज योर लास्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन टॉपिक. आपने इसको भी पढ़ना है और इससे जुड़े हुए सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपने देने हैं. ओके, क्वेश्चंस आपको यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. So, with reading these passages, your reading skill will be improved. Comprehension का बच्चों एम यही है कि आपकी रीडिंग स्किल्स को अच्छा किया जाए, उन्हें बढ़ाया जाए और फिर आप उसे ध्यान से पढ़ें और उससे जुड़े हुए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को कंप्लीट कर सकें. Okay, so this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Like this children, we have another passage. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. The Raven and the Fox. So यहाँ पर ये स्टोरी है और आपने इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने हैं. ओके, सो improve your reading skills. Read these passages carefully and please answer these questions. This chapter ends here children. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.